students, welcome back once again to my channel. In this class or in this video, I want to teach you one of the important named reactions under carboxylic acids. And its name goes like this, Arndt-Weierstrass synthesis. What does this Arndt-Weierstrass synthesis tell us about? This tells us that, or in this chemical reaction, a carboxylic acid can be converted into its next higher homologue. What is the meaning next higher homologue? Here the reaction which I have given you, RCOOH is converted into RCH2COOH. Okay, so left side we have one carbon here and the another carbon here. For example, let us assume that it has two carbons. Okay, so when it is converted into this product, one more carbon we can see here. That means the length of the chain is being increased by one carbon atom. Okay students, RCOOH is being converted into RCH2COOH. How this conversion is being done is explained by this Arndt-Weierstrass synthesis. Okay, so I will show you how this is being converted. So students, look at the reaction given below. That means I told you now RCOOH, how it is being converted into RCH2COOH. Look here ma. We started with RCOOH plus thionyl chloride SOCl2. So first when RCOOH is treated with SOCl2, it is first converted into RCOCl. You must be remembering this RCOCl, we call it as acid chloride. Generally RCOX, we call it as acid halide. Okay. Now this acid halides, when treated with diazomethane, CH2N2 students. Look here on the arrow I have written CH2N2, which is called as diazomethane. Okay, CH4 is methane. So two hydrogens instead we have here N2, hence we call it as diazomethane. So minus HCl, and after being treated with diazomethane, we get ketone, that is RC double bond O CHN2. So this on treatment with water, it is converted finally into RCH2COOH. To make this more clear, I will show you the actual mechanism of this reaction so that you will be too happy that you have understood this reaction more clearly. So students, look at the mechanism. Okay, this is the actual reaction, but I wanted to tell you more clearly. So here I have shown the mechanism. So first step students, this is the first step. Okay, see the acid halide or the acid chloride, it reacts with diazomethane, RCOCl plus diazomethane, CH2N triple bond N, and N has positive. This is the actual structure of the diazomethane. Okay, so acid halide is formed from carboxylic acid plus thionyl chloride. So I started from here ma. So acid halide, when it is treated with diazomethane. Have you seen the structure of diazomethane ma? CH2N triple bond N, N has positive charge and C has one pair of electrons. Okay, so one of the hydrogens from CH2 and this chlorine Cl comes out as minus HCl. Okay, look here, Cl and one of the hydrogens comes out as minus HCl. Fine. Now this CH or this carbon comes and gets attached with this carbon. So here we have R, C double bond O, C double bond O. Next, bonded with this carbon with one hydrogen. R C double bond O, bond C H, as usual this whole thing. N triple bond N, positive charge on N and one pair of electrons on carbon. So here I showed you na R C double bond O, CH N2, which is nothing but the same one here, diazoketone. So this is the first step. Next, what this diazoketone does, I will show you in the next step. Second step, students, look here. Diazoketone, I told you what this diazoketone will do now. There is a pair of electrons on carbon, right? So now this diazoketone, when it is treated with silver oxide and heated, the pair of electrons which is present on the carbon is shifted this side ma. That means now a double bond will be formed between this carbon and this carbon. So as this pair is shifted inside, R is there na. With this bond, that means bond means what? It has a pair of electrons. So R with the two electrons will be moved towards this carbon. That means now there is no R here. When will this happen? When this pair of electrons is shifted between this carbon and this carbon. R with the two electrons will come here. Okay. Then these electrons will be shifted to nitrogen. So N triple bond N with the two lone pair of with this pair of electrons comes out as nitrogen. Understood na students? See, diazoketone, when it is treated with silver oxide and heated, the pair of electrons will be shifted this side. R with these two electrons will be moved towards this carbon and these two electrons will be moved towards nitrogen. So these two nitrogens will come out as nitrogen gas. Okay. So now what is being formed here? R, CH, double bond, C double bond O, which is called as ketene. Okay. The reaction has not ended ma. What is the final product? We should get this product R, CH2, COOH. So how this is being, this ketene is being converted into R, CH2, COOH, I will show you in the third step. So students, the ketene formed RCH double bond C double bond O, when treated with water, what happens? It is converted into RCH2 COOH. How this happened? H2O, what is H2O? HOH. Fine. Now, the double bond here, one of the bonds breaks up and H2O, H plus OH minus, right? So, one hydrogen comes to this carbon and OH comes to this carbon. Therefore, we get RCH2 single bond C double bond O OH. So, this is what the final product. Okay, students. So, this is what Arndt-Oersted synthesis tells us, that a carboxylic acid can be converted into its next higher homologue. That means we can increase the length of the chain of the carboxylic acid by one carboxylic acid. So the main reaction is RCOOH plus thionyl chloride, which will be converted into acid halides. On treatment with diazomethane, it is converted into diazoketone, and this diazoketone, which on treatment with silver oxide and when it is heated, it will be converted into ketene, and this ketene on hydrolysis will be converted into the next higher carboxylic acid. Okay, students. So this is the actual mechanism of Arndt-Oersted synthesis. Hope I made it clear. Just learn first, write down by saying twice or thrice, fourth time you will easily do and you will explain to me without seeing. Okay, students, hope you enjoyed. Those who are watching for the first time, please like, share and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is all for this class. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe and bye-bye, students.